Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on multiplying fractions, and in this question we've got to work out 4/5 of 400. Now you might think that this isn't multiplying fractions because we've only got one fraction. But I'm going to show you two methods, and one will be multiplying fractions and one will be working out what this fraction is of this amount here. So there's two different ways to think about doing this question. However you do it, make sure you write your answer in the box, and this will be worth 1 mark. So the key facts that you need to be able to answer this question, you need to be able to follow the following steps. So if you write the whole number as a fraction, so in this case here I've got 400, I'm going to write it as a fraction. Remember, to write a whole number as a fraction, we need to say it's divided by 1. So 400 divided by 1 is the same as 400. So you can divide any number by 1 and it will always be the number you started with. Then we're going to multiply the numerators together. We're then going to multiply the denominators. Remembering the numerators are the numbers at the top, the denominators are the number at the bottom. You've then got to cancel your fraction. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Okay, well done guys, hopefully you've managed to get an answer. So our first step is going to write it as a fraction. So you can do this onto the question, put this over 1. So now I'm going to multiply by numerators, so 4 times by 400. So 4 times by 4 is 16, add on 2 zeros is going to be 1,600. Then I've got 5 times by 1 in the denominator, which is 5. So I've got 1,600 divided by 5, or 1,600 over 5. So this is a fraction, but this fraction line here means divide. So I've got to do 1,600 divided by 5. So to do that, we're going to use the bus stop method. The number you're dividing by goes at the front of the bus stop, and the 1,600 goes underneath. So I then say, how many times does 5 fit into 1? It doesn't. So then I cross this one out and write it as a little one up here, so this number becomes 16. 5 into 16 fits 3 times. Now 3 times 5 is 15. There is 1 left over to get to the 16, so I write a 1 up here. Now it's how many times does 5 go into 10? 5 fits into 10 twice, so that's the number at the top. And then 5 into 0 is 0. So my answer is 320, and that needs to go in the box. Now the alternative method is to think about this as a division first. So you could think of this as doing 400 divided by 5 and then times the answer by 4, because this is 4/5 of the number 400. So we can work out 1/5 of 400, which is doing 400 divided by 5, and then times that answer by 4. Now without a calculator, this method is actually easier, because we've now got 400 divided by 5, which we can do much easier in our head. So if you think of the first 2 digits here, I've got the number 40, and you should know that 40 divided by 5 is 8. So 400 divided by 5 will give you 80. So then I've just got to work out 80 times by 4. Now 8 times by 4 is 32. Then I'm multiplying this by this 10, so I need to add a 0 on the end, which will give me the 320 for 1 mark. It doesn't matter which way round you think about doing the question. Give yourself a tick whichever method you used, and make sure you know how to get the answer 320. So well done. The mark scheme on this question says the answer is 320. 1M means 1 method mark, and it says do not accept the answer 1,600 divided by 5 or 1,600 over 5. You have to work out the answer to be 320. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.